Alrighty. Chapter 6, test review. Let's see, what page am I on? Yeah, still page 252. And now I'm just going over number 7 and 8 on page 252. So again, these problems are very similar to problem number 5. The only difference is now we're using customary units instead of metric units. So you'll just change both sides, in this case, either both sides to feet, or you'll change both sides to yards and then compare. Here you'll change both sides to pints or both sides to quarts and then compare. Here, change both sides to pounds or both sides to tons and compare. Here you'll change both sides to miles or both sides to yards and compare. Okay. I'm not sure if we got the conversion for miles, but I will tell you there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Just in case that is not in your text. I don't remember coming across it in your textbook. Maybe it was in there and I just didn't notice it, but just in case, I will give you that conversion. 5,280 feet are in 1 mile. And then you can change, once you have changed that to feet, you can also change it to yards if you would like. Okay. Or you can change it to feet, change the miles to feet, and then change the yards to feet. And they'll both be in feet, and you can compare. Your choice on that one. Okay, but you're going to want to use your conversion charts. Now, I will, if you need additional help on these, obviously raise your hand. But the first thing I'm going to say is, when I come to you and you have a question on number 7, I'm going to say, where's your conversion chart? So make sure you have that out, ready to go, if you're working on, if you need additional help on number 7. Okay, number 8, the distance from Caleb's house to the school is 1.5 miles, and the distance from Ashley's house to the school is 3,520 feet. Who lives closer to the school, Caleb or Ashley? Use numbers and words to support your answer. So we need to change. This problem is actually just like number 7. We're comparing 1.5 miles to 3,520 feet. And we're going to be using the greater than, less than, or equal to sign in the circle. So you either change both sides to feet or you change both sides to miles, and then you compare. That's what you're doing. And then just explain your answer. You would say Caleb's house is closer because 1.5 miles equals blah 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 feet, which is more. Or you may say Ashley's house is closer to the school because 3,520 feet is closer, or is a smaller number than blah 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 feet, which is the distance that Caleb's house is. So again, I'm going to let you do the math though on this. I'm just kind of helping you set these up. But if you have additional questions, you can of course raise your hand, but on this one as well, first thing I'm going to ask is, where's your conversion chart? Okay, and I actually gave you the conversion for feet to miles right here. So you have it right there as well. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.